Customer Knickerdropper frame ready to go out. This is for a 600 Bandit. Comes with a full engine mount kit including spacers. These are our new forward controls fitted with bars for his 1200. Rear brake, master cylinder, bracket and spacers. Nice simple little battery box, electric box. We supplied the seat, springs and a mount for that. Rear fender for a 1200 Bandit rear wheel with fitted obviously with brackets. Rear brake reaction rod, longer spindle to take the 1200 wheel and for our frame. Frame adjuster, rear wheel adjusters rather, with that. This is our flat track style tank that he's asked for. That's gone on there. Steering bumps and bearing cups, and also, which is always handy because once you start building it up, side stands that we use, which don't have a big old ugly ancient spring on it. It's all an internal spring, so it's nice and clean and tidy. These kits are all available if you get onto the website. If you put an order in, we usually like to turn them round in about 7 days, and if you've got your 600 or 1200 Bandit donut, all you've got to do is swap the bits over, put it in and ride off into the sunset. Give us a call or an email.